end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved.
Good evening, Mackenzie squad. Okay, I'm really excited. Okay, I'm excited because it's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Okay, anyway, so it's 10 p.m. Let me tell you guys, this is the day I didn't plan for the way it has happened. As I was saying before I was interrupted, my laundry lady has just brought the clothes. The audacity. Today is not the day. Like today I cannot even do this. Today mini baby girl. Anyway, I thought today I won't overwork myself, but let me tell you, I'm really trying to beat the deadlines for most of the things that I have, the orders that I have. And because people are like they're finalizing in making their houses and all, so that one is not possible. So I've been busy the whole day. Imagine baby girl on my birthday. Like I've not enjoyed it the whole day because I was busy. Yeah, but I'm grateful at the same time, so I think I'll just enjoy myself another day. This is the time I'm arriving in the house. Yes, so I just want to do one two. Then I was editing a video yesterday, but I've not finished doing just final touches, so I do it today so that it can go up tomorrow. Tomorrow is on Thursday, so that it can go up tomorrow, hopefully. Oh my god, like this inconsistency is killing me every day, but I'll try my best to sleep with that video up, like I've put it for tomorrow. Yeah, so yeah, but I've had a good day. Like, okay, in terms of business, I've had a good day, but my body is so exhausted. So it's really raining. I'm trying, like, anyway, I just want to prepare myself and then prepare myself for tomorrow. That's what I do. And I think I'll speak to you. Maybe I'll speak to you. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe on Thursday, tomorrow, yeah? I think that's when I'll be able to talk to you guys.
Next day.
Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. Not like the movies when
hey guys, I'm excited. So I'm at work right now, but I want to start my trip, you guys. I need to just go and relax kidogo and celebrate my birthday also, because if you don't like spoil yourself, I don't know who will. I don't know, because you just work hard for what? Me, I even don't get it. If you work hard, use the money till it's, paka ikutambue. Anyway, so let us just go. I think I'll just vlog, hopefully. Okay, this time round I was thinking of just being by myself, like nisifanye too much vlogging so that I can concentrate, but I don't know, you guys. I will see while I'm going, because I think I've shown you this before, but I'll not do more of what I did last time. So yeah, so let's go. It's already 6:30 p.m. so I want to go, and I think I'll just go with a matatu from here to town, and then from town to SGR I'll use an Uber. Yeah, because I know right now it's fast, because I didn't go with the train, the DDMU train to Syokimau. It leaves at 6 and I'm here, so that one can't work. So let us go. Okay, I'm excited. Anyway, a bit and I'm going to sleep anyway, so what? I don't need to apply anything or just be looking good. Anyway, I have this t-shirt. I don't know how I can show you what I'm wearing because I don't have a mirror here. Anyway, let's go, guys. Yeah, guys, I'm in the Uber and I'm really stuck on traffic. This is Nairobi for you, so I'm just hoping that I won't late because I'm already, it's already 8 and I need to be there by 9 at least, so that I can have an easy time checking in. I was stuck on traffic for about 45 minutes. I was already like getting late, but eventually I got to arrive to the SGR terminus, Nairobi terminus, as you can see. And I was now trying to check in and also print my to print the, what is it called? Print my ticket. I have arrived. Well, leo nimechelewa. Mimi leo I always say people get late. Today is me. It's me. So let me just, I've done my first checkpoint. I'm going to my second one. So let us go and see. I don't know. Let us go. No, it is you guys. Leo hata nasikia joto cause niko natetemeka, but yeah, as you can see, you guys, we go. So girls, so we guys, I'm at the waiting bay. I'm waiting here. It's 9:20, so today I've not stayed here for like, sikuja mapema, so niko na enough time. So people are just eating. We eat, we go, yeah. So guys, we are now boarding. We are heading to the train. Yeah. So today I've not like spent the time here. Yeah, so let's go. I hope I won't feel hungry because I've not eaten. Nilikula bread in the morning and I feel so like wheat is now getting the nerves out of me, because all the time I eat wheat, I end up feeling so bloated. Anyway, let's go guys. So guys, this time round I had booked the SGRs so late. I wasn't really ready for this, but I now was heading to the last coach, that is I think number 14. So yeah guys, hii leo niko mbali. Okay.
A few minutes later.
I am now in the SGR train, and I'm just waiting. I wanted for them to sell for me the coffee so that I can now wrap myself and then I start sleeping. But I find the SGR train a bit uncomfortable when it comes to sleeping. I don't know you guys, if you've ever traveled with the morning train, you can give me your experiences in the comment section, because for me at night, no. As long as maybe you want to sleep, it's not that comfortable.
Kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking.
Abiria mpendwa, tutasimama kwa muda mfupi kupisha treni inayoelekea Nairobi. Tutasimama kwa muda mfupi kupisha treni inayoelekea.
Guys, it's already 3 a.m. and it's the time we are arriving in Mombasa terminus, and I just wanted to show you a little bit of it. So I was the last to just come out of the coach that we were in. So yeah guys, and it's good to actually know the time that you arrive in Mombasa, what who is picking you up and taking you to wherever you're going to sleep, because at this point it's already early, and if you don't arrange yourself, you'll feel frustrated, and because of getting even tired from the SGR. So from here, I was just heading to the Airbnb that I had booked. The hotels that I had wanted to book, but this time they were already full, and also the timings were not adding up for me, because when you leave 3 a.m. the SGR, before you leave, maybe you'll arrive at the houses at 4 a.m. So you need to know where you'll be able to sleep at that point.
I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights.
There is also public means that you can use from if you're going to Mtwapa, Bamburi, Likoni, anywhere. So as long as you know when you are lighting how you'll get home, that is still okay.
Many minutes later.
Enter the house, there's this door, and then there's a mirror here. So I think I'll just be doing here what I've worn today. So this is what I was wearing, but nimechoka. SGR inachokesha sana. But anyway, and then that's the toilet. Just go right straight. There's a small corridor here. I love this matte gray one, and then on my right, that's when they see the kitchen. And then when you head straight, that's when you see the bed, the house, like that. Look how cute it is. Oh my god, looks so lovely. I love this space. I'll show you this moment. We have that. Looks so cute. Then I show you this place. Look, the console. I love the console. You can also do as a reading table. Nice. So guys, I booked this Airbnb, and the way it was looking in the app, that's the same way it's looking like, and I was so happy about it. I loved everything, and it was so spacious for me, and it had a balcony. So I love the theme color blue. Is it sky blue? Yeah. So it was really loving, and yeah, and it was in a good estate. So I really enjoyed my stay here. So cute. I love. Just see what they have. Oh, they have, and I was really scared about getting up iron box because I don't have one. Looks nice. I love. So there's me. There's pampas grass here. Looks so cute. So here's the fridge. There's a microwave on this side. Oh my god, this bag has traveled. Umefika Mombasa, mama. So there's a microwave over here. Then there's fridge. Oh my, there's a cooker. Then there's the cabinet. Oh my god, Jodo. Cannot make it here. So we have all that, the tap, then the drawer, and then the cute. I love the curtains. It's so looking so cute. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the small house tour, and just remember to subscribe to this channel. I just want to take a nap because it's already 5 a.m. and then maybe in the afternoon I'll find activities to do. See you in my next one. Bye.